Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to OPPO F21 Pro 5G. First of all, just open Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. Then tap on Open. From the screen here, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Receive on OPPO and Send on Motorola. After that, tap on all of those type of dots over here and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer the chosen ones. It will take a lot of time to transfer all of mine though, so I will go into Photos category, select only one. For example that one, choose Send and click on Got it. Now you need to scroll down on OPPO, choose No Thanks and close this window, and as you can see now we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then choose Receive button over here, but we can also scan this QR code by selecting scanning icon on OPPO, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code. And now as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!